Hello Year 3, Mr. Bayford here, and this is today's geography lesson. We are going to be looking at four-figure grid maps and how to locate different places on them. I'm just going to zoom in so I can make it nice and big. There's it, there, four-figure grid map. Let's have a think about this first because it doesn't look like our normal maps that we've been looking at previously. Four figures. If we think about the word figure and change it to the mathematical term digit, then it becomes four-digit grid map. Right now you might be thinking, but these numbers, they're not four digits. Not yet. Not yet. First of all, let's just explain what we are doing. This is our island. It's not very good at the moment. There's no places on it. However, down below, there's lots of statements here. Just get rid of that. There's lots of statements here that tell us where these places are so we can draw them onto our map. So let's have a look at this first one. There is a deep forest at 1346. Well, there is our four-figure number, but how do we convert that onto the map? Where do we put it? Well, what we need to do to this one and all the other ones coming up is, you may have seen me take it off, I'll put it back in. We need to split this number, this four-figure number, into two-digit numbers. Now we have 13 and 46. And now the map should start to make sense. Let's go back up. 13 and 46. Remember that. Okay, so when we're dealing with when we're dealing with a four-figure grid map, we always go along the map first and then up the map afterwards. A good way to remember that, you might have spotted it already. It says, remember, along the corridor, up the stairs. So the first two digits of a four-figure location is along the corridor, up the stairs. So let's have another look at our number 1346. 13 along the corridor, 46 up the stairs. So we're not going to count up 13 times. We're not going to go along 13 times or anything like that. We are just looking for the box that it represents, or rather the column at this point that it represents. We're then going to match it with the 46. So let's see if we can find it. First of all, along the corridor until we get to 13, which is there. Okay, so right now we know that this location, the deep dark forest, is going to be in one of these boxes. Now, looking up here, I very much doubt it's going to be there. That looks like it could be the C. So I don't think it's going to be there. So we could probably write that one off. Now, it was 13 along, 46 up. So in this column, we need to match it with 46. So that is 44. It's not that one. 45, not that one. 46. It could be this one. I'm going to do a little dot there and just make sure. 13, 46. Along the corridor and up the stairs. So let's have a little look. Was it 1346? It was 1346. I am absolutely sure that our deep dark forest is going to be in this box here. So for now, and I do apologize because I am using a mouse, this is a deep dark forest. It's not, I know, but pretend it is. So I would start drawing my deep dark forest only in this box and nowhere else, otherwise those coordinates are going to be wrong. That four-figure number is going to be wrong. 1346. So looking down to the next one, there is a castle looking out to sea. Oh, there's a little clue. Okay. There is a castle looking out to sea at this number here. Now remember what we did with this number right here. We split it into two-digit numbers. And remember, the first two digits would be going along the corridor, and the last two-digit numbers would be going up. So that would be I'm not going to tell you. I'll let you have a little bit of fun with this one. There are, okay, sorry. Um, there are one, two, three, four, five, six, seven things to find. Now, when you get to the bottom and you've double checked to make sure they're all in the right place, you'll probably see that actually there are places with nothing in it that actually you might quite like to add something of your own. Maybe it's to do with your mythical creature that you've been creating last week. So you can do that. Choose a blank square. Get the coordinates. So, for example, if you put something on here, it would be 1644, which would be 1644, and write it down underneath the ones that are already there. Maybe do three of your own and see how you go. Maybe you could even challenge someone in your household to try and locate a secret location using only uh, four numbers. See if they get it right. Right, we shall leave it there. Thank you very much. We're really looking forward to seeing this one. Have a good afternoon, and we will speak to you soon.